Nothing's impossible when they mention you. Nothing's impossible when they mention you.
So this is the finished result, y'all. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I like it, but then again, I feel like somebody
from the stars.
funky.
Nothing I seen before, like it came from Mars. Shine like the moon, high like June. You stepping out, you start the room. Couldn't be more happier.
Better now. I was crazy early, so I'm just gonna hop in, then come back out, do a little 1-2. I'm telling y'all, the energy of this video is like real chill vibes. Like, I'm really on my chill-ish today. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to basically be doing my hair. So I wanted to install this wig on camera. I feel like I've done this already in another video, and I'll definitely link it down below for you guys. Excuse me if my voice is a little hoarse because I just woke up and I wanted to make sure I get this video out for y'all. So in the beginning of this vlog, I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig. As you can see, I used the olive oil fix spray to spray on my wig cap, and then I used the blow dryer to kind of make it stick to my head, and then I went ahead and just cut it off camera. And this is the spray I'm going to be using, the Erica J Hold Me spray, and then the Hold Me Down adhesive. This stuff works like freaking magic. Like, it really holds your wigs down. I haven't tried any other glue yet, but I decided to try this one and I love it. So just a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I just wanted to put that out there because this is really just me practicing, because I like doing my hair. So I wanted to try installing my wig again, and I want to start practicing doing other wigs. So went ahead and made sure that glue, follow the girlies always on YouTube that do their wigs, and just kind of follow their steps of just making sure the glue was clear before I added another layer. And then I just went ahead and did this like 2 more times. So I think I added like 3 layers of glue. So now that I added my glue, I just went ahead and placed my wig where I wanted it to be. And as you can see, like, even when I try to lift it up a second time, it was already laid. Like, it was kind of hard for me to move it. So definitely remember, when you're putting your wig in place, that you put it where you want it the first time, because it's definitely gonna be hard to like lift it back up once it's already settled into the skin. And then I just went ahead and took my blow dryer on cool and just, you know, did the damn thing that I be seeing the girlies do, and made sure it melted into the skin. So then I went ahead and just added my band on my head to really melt that lace. And as you guys can see, I was struggling. Like, I don't know if anybody else be struggling like that, but I guess it's just me because I am a beginner at doing my own wig and everything like that. And then after I added it, I realized I needed to take it right back off. And that is because I forgot to take out the baby hairs. So I didn't want to like make sure everything was laid and then do my baby hairs. So I just went back and did my baby hairs, added some Got2b glue. I probably should have went back and used the olive oil spray that I used the first time, but that one was right there because I thought I was going to use that first, but I ended up using the olive oil one instead. So this is a little bit messy, but please wait to the end to see the final result. So then I finally take that band off after straightening my hair, doing all the good stuff, and look at how it came out. I think it came out so good. I just have to relay my edges because I didn't use any product the first time, really. Like, I didn't use what I normally use to lay my edges on my natural hair, so I went ahead and used the Gummy Professionals. You guys know which edge control that is. I show it in like almost all my videos. And then I went ahead and used another little spray of the Got2b just to make sure like they was really gonna stay. I didn't want to add too much because I didn't want it to be like hard, so I just added just a little bit to make them like really stay. I didn't have a flat iron, that like 1/2 inch one that I see everybody use that really gets your edges like that curl to make them stay. So that's definitely going to be my next investment that I want to purchase, just so I can have that to do like my wigs in the future. As you guys can see, again, I'm still struggling to put this band on. I don't know what it is, but it's going to take some practice. But definitely stay tuned to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys throughout the vlog. Hey friends, so this is how my hair came out. I feel like it came out even better than the last time, so I can't wait to order me a new wig. One of these days I could like really install a lace front, because I think I could do it. I'm gonna try probably one more time on a closure wig, and then I'll probably get me like a frontal, maybe like 13x4, and try it on my head, because I think this came out really good. So right now I'm late. I'm gonna go get some food with my sis. I just threw on a jacket, regular pants, shredded, and I'm throwing some Uggs because I don't feel like getting dressed. I did like a little bit of bronzer, makeup, a little eyelash, brow moment. I didn't feel like getting super cute. I really didn't. It's raining outside. It's ugly. My hair is done, but I don't feel like doing all that. I feel like this is a basic cute. And I'm gonna put some gloss on. Some gloss. And plus, we about to go bust down some food. So I was just like, I don't think it's necessary to like really put all of that makeup and stuff on. I gotta come home and take it off. Like, no. I feel like I already do that for work. When I'm not working. When I'm not working, I don't feel like doing anything. The only thing I'm doing to fix my baby hair, this side came out so much better than this side. I don't know. That's every time. That's legit every time. I need some more. Looks dry. You look dry. What are you eating? Kyle always eating so she's not supposed to. Stop eating stuff. Always. So yeah, I'm running late, y'all, so I'm gonna just hurry up and go downstairs. And then I'll link up with y'all once I get to the restaurant, because I'm late. So I don't like having people wait for me, so I'm gonna hurry up. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Finish my hair. We're on our way to get some crab, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. He be knowing my plans, bro. This man really be knowing my plans. How did I know to park in the front? I feel like a real human with my hair done now. Even though it's misty, like, hurry up. But I'm only parked right here, so. God be knowing. This girl be knowing what to do. Oh, shit, oh, shit, oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, because hurry up and get in. Ah! He be knowing my plans, because how did he know? My window open? The seat feel wet. It feel wet in here. How did he know that I was gonna be in a hurry? My seat feel wet for some reason. I don't know why. How did he know I was gonna be in a hurry and I needed to park in the front? That's what I'm saying. God be knowing my plan. Like, what? I didn't have to walk because I was literally getting ready to, like, when I tell y'all bum rush to the other side of the complex where I'm at right now, because my car is always parked mad far. And for some reason, like, anyway, yeah, so he be knowing my plan, because I was about to bum rush to my car, and I I parked in the front. Like, early, I don't even remember parking in the front. That's how crazy, like, that's so funny. That's so funny. Literally, I didn't even remember parking in the front. And I'm like, okay. We literally were supposed to have been there. But, like, yeah, I think like 4, 5. And I'm like, girl, I'm gonna get there late because I was doing my hair. I'm excited to like get some crab, chop it up, get a drink, cause we got some shit to celebrate, baby. We got shit to celebrate. What? I'm pissed. No, absolutely not. Y'all not finna. Can I bust a U-turn? Cause no, we're not doing this. Cause literally, I feel like my GPS does this to me all the time, where it tells me to go one way, and I'm literally like, no, I'm gonna go another way, so I could like minimize the amount of time it's gonna take to me to get there. It's really ugly in here. Like, why does it feel so tasty? It's like clammy a little bit. I don't know. It's weird. Anywho, let me pay attention and drive. All of y'all out there vlogging and driving, please drive safe. And I will come back when we get to Hook and Reel. And oh my god, and maybe this time my girl Elise, maybe she'll want to vlog with me. We'll see. Because like I said before, I don't like just putting the camera in everybody's face, you know. Like, I like to be able to you know, give people an opportunity if they want to be on camera. Because even when I film my family, like, I asked them like, oh, y'all want to film, like, you know what I mean? Or I was just telling them like, yeah, I'm about to put this in my channel, so whatever. And they was just like, they was with it, you know what I mean? Like, if they didn't want to do it, if they was like, nah, I don't want to, I would have respected that too and been like, okay, cool, like, cut that out. Because, you know, it's really my platform, it's not their platform. So I like to be respectful of the people that I am around, period. So yeah, so I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get to where I gotta go, and I will hit you guys back up later. Love you. Good, that's good.
Out, but nah.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that.
No, but I'm gonna try this hairstyle. I've gone to her before. She did my first closure.
Did you order a drink?
I did, because they're half price.
In that case.
That's why I slid it to you. I thought she was gonna say something, because
No,
literally
she's
after
too
you walked
fast.
off, she literally walked off.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I'll just wait on her.
Y'all, my camera about to die, but I had that fun with my sis. We had a really good time. We was dead talking in the restaurant for like 4 hours. How, Sway? How? But anyway, my camera about to die, so sleep time. It's giving bedtime. It's giving I'm sleepy. It's giving I have a headache. It's giving I need to go to bed. So I will talk to y'all later. I had a good time last night. Look at me, I was sleepy. I had a good time tonight when I talked to my friend. We had mad fun. We was dead in restaurant for like 4 hours. 4 hours. Like really 3 and some change. Like, that's OD. We had a good time. But now it's giving I have a headache. I'm tired. I gotta wake up and go to work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. So many great things happening. So many good things happening. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm just ecstatic for this next chapter. So you guys already know. If you didn't know, now you know. Definitely check out my next couple of vlogs. It's gonna be some super interesting content and things going on. But for the time being, you girls going to bed. A headache, like, look at this eye. It's turning pink. Like, look at it. I know I'm about to have a migraine, and I took some Tylenol, but I don't know what's the vibe. So I'm about to go to bed, and just wanted to end this vlog with your girl looking like this. I think I want to put like a cute video at the end of this, just so you guys can see like how the hair came out. So by the time you see this video, I will have had time to make like a cute little ending to show you how my hair came out, because I literally did my hair right out the house because I was running late. Like, everything didn't align. It aligned the way it was supposed to align, but at the same time, my timing was a little off because I had stuff to do this morning, and then like doing your hair takes all day. So Yeah. But now, back home, like I said, look at my eye. I need to rest my head. I've been up and about since 8:30 this morning, so I'm pretty tired. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and relax my head, and try to enjoy the rest of my night, and then probably go to bed and go to work. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. I love y'all. Thank you for another successful vlog, because I feel like it's super fun doing these random vlogs for y'all, because sometimes I really don't know when I'm gonna pick up the camera. Like, some weeks I want to pick it up every day, some weeks I want to pick up once a day. Like, so doing these random vlogs for y'all is super cool. Y'all get to see like the inside of my life, and you know, we just get to connect a little bit more. So I really appreciate that. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, I wouldn't be here without y'all, so thank you. And yeah, I'll see you guys back in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Happy holidays to everyone. It's about to be the new year soon, so I'll see you guys definitely before the new year, but definitely happy holidays to everyone out there. Enjoy, be safe, be with your family and everything like that, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Definitely stay tuned. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna go out after my video before this, which is basically me talking about me coloring my natural hair, and the certain questions, the frequently asked questions from that video when I colored my hair. So if you guys are interested in watching that, I'll definitely go watch the video before this. And then the video after this is gonna be even better. So alright, so just stay tuned for all this good ass content. Scorpio gang all day, you already know. I am out. I'll talk to y'all later.